Showtime! My name is Andreas Niggemann, and today I want to show you a little trick and tip how to back up your precious data from digital cameras onto a backup drive without using a laptop. For this purpose, we are using a so-called USB-C hub here on the right side, which contains some ports, including a card reader for SD cards and micro SD cards. And it includes USB-A ports and USB-C ports for mass storage. If we have a smartphone with a USB-C port, we can connect this USB hub to the smartphone here, and as soon as we connect this, on the upper left-hand corner of the smartphone there is a USB-C symbol, and when we are pulling this down it says USB storage added. Opening this up, it reveals a USB storage 2, and by going one step back we can see, okay, we have here USB 1, storage 1 is our 64 GB SD card, and USB storage 2 is our 1 TB SSD backup drive. So we want to copy the files from the USB storage 1 to the 2. Opening up these files, and we see a folder DSIM, which contains some subfolders for digital cameras. And we also want to copy this by pressing a long click on the DSIM. And it's marked now, and now we can press down here the copy button to store the base data. From now on, we are clicking the storage, the destination storage, and there I have a folder image backup, and in this folder I want to copy the things from the memory card. By pressing copy here, it starts copying data from the SD card to the SSD backup drive. This will take some time depending on the speed of the memory card and the speed of the SSD, and also considering the speed of the smartphone system. As soon as the transfer is over, we can see here our files on the backup device. So you see these numbers here, and then another thing is to change this one, to change the folder name to a name with the actual date, for example. So each and every day you have a new folder with new files copied from your digital card, your SD card. So this is it. This is the small tip, a small hint how to back up your files on the go with very little effort without using a notebook. Or the only extra thing you need is this small device, which costs about $30 to $40, which contains not only the card reader, but also the connector for the backup device. One little extra thing is here now is visible. I've connected a power plug to power all these things here together, because the transfer may last a long time, maybe 1 hour, and it might be wise to connect a power supply to power all these devices here. Thank you very much. Back to the show.